Factor the polynomial completely. 6t to the fourth plus 3t cubed minus 108t squared. In looking at these terms, we notice that there is a greatest common factor. There's at least a t squared in each term. And there's also a common factor of 3 in each term. So let's begin by factoring out a 3t squared. 3t squared times 2t squared gives 6t to the fourth. 3t squared times a positive t gives 3t cubed. And 3t squared times a negative 36 gives the negative 108t squared. Now don't stop there. Let's see if we can continue to factor by factoring this trinomial in parentheses. I'm going to try to factor that using trial and error. If it factors, it will factor as the product of two binomials. Now we know that our leading terms must be 2t times t to give 2t squared. Now it's a matter of fitting in the factors of negative 36 that will give an inner and outer product sum of positive 1. If we place a positive 9 up front and a negative 4 in the second binomial, a quick check shows that 9t and a negative 8t does give this inner term positive 1t. Therefore, the completely factored form of 6t to the fourth plus 3t cubed minus 108t squared is 3t squared times 2t plus 9 times t minus 4.